Welcome. In this video we will see how to do the barrel knot. The barrel knot it's a knot used to pull up a cylinder shaped object like a barrel, a vase, anything that has this shape. For do this knot we have to take our cylinder, in this case I use a little vase. We put the rope under the vase with the working hand on the left. We hold the two ropes together. We put the running hand under the standing part and we pull a little bit. This part has to be a little bit center, like this. Then we take the intersection of the two ropes. We put under the border and we pull a little bit. Then what we have to do, we have to make a bowline. We take the left part of the rope, the standing part, we do a overhand loop. That means that the running hand is over the standing part. We put the running hand inside the loop, around the standing part and back inside. It's just a normal bowline. Doing that, we have done the knot. The knot works well if it's pulled, if the object is pulled vertically. If the object starts to roll like this, it can be very dangerous because the knot comes undone. As you can see, there is a risk that the object falls.